GETSUN 2099. This product is a strong detergent with good penetration and decomposition properties, which can remove oil and dirt from engine surfaces, as well as other industrial machinery and equipment. Shake the product well before use. Spray directly on engine surface area. Atomized water state. Then wipe with a cleaning cloth to remove the stain.